Hello friends, welcome to Gone Traders Club channel. Let's start our stock analysis for 12th of February 2021. So yesterday I am unable to do the video for today levels since I have some personal commitment during the whole day. That's what I am unable to do it. Okay, let's start our analysis with the Nifty. So today the Nifty is hovering the whole day hovering around the square number 15129, and also it is closed above the reference price 15145.9. So my expectation is tomorrow above 15266, and it's also just above the midpoint 15252.5. If it is closing above for 5 minutes chart, in 5 minute chart we can see 15376, and the next level is for us is 15500.5. The Fibonacci level is standing around 15470 level. This acts as a strong resistance for Nifty. So if it is breaking the lower side 15112.1, then we can see 15006.5, and this is a trend line, a rising trend line in the hourly chart. This may act as a strong support for Nifty around 14987 level. Then next we can move to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I have in 5 minute chart I have drawn the triangle pattern, and also I marked the horizontal support and resistance. So what we can expect tomorrow above 35983, we can see 3600, 36290, and 36481 level. If it is breaking the lower side 35630 level, we can see 35532 and 35344 level, and also we mark this 35156.5 level. Okay, then we move to stocks. I have shortlisted ICICI Pru Life, Hindustan Unilever, Axis Bank, Godrej Properties, Infosys, and Jindal Steel for the long side, and also SRF for the long side. For the short side, I have shortlisted PBR, Biocon, S-Guards, Z, and this I marked for the long side Dr. Reddy's. Let's go through one by one. I'll move it here. So ICICI Pru Life in the hourly chart, it did the double bottom, and it's also buy also confirmed the last hour candle. So what we can expect tomorrow above today's high of 493.55, we can see 500.6 level for tomorrow for sure. The next stock is Hindustan Unilever. Hindustan Unilever today, it is given a very good move and consolidated near to the midpoint 2256.5, and it's just closed above it. So my expectation is, and also again it is started consolidating last hour. So what we can expect tomorrow above 2266, we can see 2280 and 2304 level. This act as a strong resistance for tomorrow. The next stock is Axis Bank. Axis Bank today it is closed above the reference price 738.7, and my expectation is tomorrow, and it's also higher high higher low formation. So my expectation is tomorrow above 744.15 for 5 minutes close. We can see 752 and 756.5 level. Next stock is Godrej Properties. Godrej Properties, it is consolidating near to the midpoint 1482.5. So my expectation is tomorrow above 1499. We can see 1521 and 1544 level for tomorrow. The next stock is Infosys. Tomorrow you can watch all the IT stocks, everything showing good consolidation today. Even TCS, Infosys, HCL. I did not notice that Tech Mahindra, but I see these three stocks looks very good for tomorrow. but I shortlisted Infosys. Since I can't give more stocks for our studies, then we will ignore everything. So Infosys, what we can expect tomorrow? Above 1299.35, we can see 1307 and 1315 and 1325 level. The next stock is Jindal Steel. Jindal Steel, it is showing very good bullish sign, and it is also consolidating near to the reference price 315.55. So what we can expect tomorrow? Above 318.4, we can see 324 and 328 and 333 level. The next stock is SRF. SRF, it is formed the W pattern, and it's also closed near to the swing high and just below the midpoint 5700.5 level. So what we can expect tomorrow? Above 5706, 5 minutes close, we can see 5728 and 5776 level for tomorrow. The next stock is Dr. Reddy's. Dr. Reddy's, it is consolidating during the whole day near to the midpoint 4830.5. So my expectation is tomorrow above 4860, we can see 4900, 4930 and 4970. This is very remote chance, but we can see these two levels for tomorrow if it is breaking 4860 level. The next stock is PVR for the short side. So PVR, I'm expecting below 1487, we can see 1478, 1459 and also we can see 1444 level. The next stock is Biocon. Biocon, it is first few hours candle, few 5 minutes candles moved up, but it came down and it is just closed below the reference price 407.75, and it is having the swing formation into that level. So my expectation is tomorrow below 404.8, we can see 400. This act as a strong support for the stock. This is also a hourly swing formation level. So if it is breaking this swing in the hourly chart or 5 minutes close below, we can see 395 and 387 level for the Biocon for tomorrow. Then next stock is Escorts. Escorts, again today it is trying to go above the square number 1444, but it is unable to sustain there and closed below the reference price 1427. So what we can expect tomorrow? Below 1418.35, then we can see 1406. If we sustain below, we can also see 1390 level for tomorrow. The next stock is Z. It is a highly bearish stock for nowadays. So it is also consolidating. It tried to go up, but it is unable to cross 225 EMA. So what we can see below 214, we can see 210, 208 and 206 level for tomorrow. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. If you like my video and it is useful for your trading, please like, subscribe and share your comments. And if you made profits, also you can share the comment on the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Bye.